If you want to change app lock password on POCO X8 Pro or Pro Max, first of all, we need to go to settings. Over here in settings, we're gonna scroll down and you want to go to apps. Then we're gonna go to the app lock. You want to provide the password to the app lock. Next, tap on this setting in the upper right corner. And then here we should be able to find the password type. So we should be able to, for example, choose between the privacy protection password and the screen lock. And of course, if you want to just switch the password, like let's say you use the privacy protection password, if you want to change it, what you can also do is you can just go back to the main page of settings, the main menu. And then we're gonna go to fingerprints, face data, and screen lock. And then over here we can go to privacy protection password. So here we need to enter the password, that is. And then here we should be able to tap on change privacy protection password. So once again, enter the current password, and then you can set up the new one. Leave a like and subscribe.